that development programs and projects will ensure that the people get a better life and a very good living condition. And His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Sierra Leone, the German Chiefdom, we are ready for giving you every support. The development program is what we need. Just like this barrier, we need more this barrier. This barrier, the last person we rehabilitator, neither the current chairman of the SFP development state, neither the last person we rehabilitator, and the still need more rehabilitation. Some development and Canada, so they love to do endowment with building market for the generation, up to the market. The woman and the son on the rain. So this is a big pride for the women them and the children them will understand. Now we big market where from Puna will bring back the left of you and take the common entity the last between us. So we appeal to you, but let remember we do for them. Your Excellency, once again, I want to say thanks unto you, and I pray that God will continue for granting the richest of blessings of good health, strength, divine wisdom, protection and direction in all your work where you do for this country. Welcome and thank you.
One country, one people. His Excellency, a member 2018 will be by the campaign Ukana, the same court marina, and also cheap. Now the people that were been talk during that time, they all been tell His Excellency, say, is that they been tell us say, that time they call him chief. They say chief, and you see this we road here. If you God make you be president, don't forget how. I remember when chief did talk that word, and it's very court marine. One country. Now, we can get the opportunity for Yeri His Excellency. When we go every side, we say that they talk and do president. Not also talk and president. From morning, we they do because he did not talk. From morning, we they can do. And this net, we they do. And tomorrow, but inshallah, mashallah, will continue for do. Not also. So now we get the honor of policing to His Excellency. The Mawe believes say every pikin in this country to go school, whether in Page money or in Panoge money. The Mawe believes say every woman will go to hospital. Whether a mama get money or a mama don't get money for go school. The Mawe believes say every better woman in this country, any side where I go at the talker, he say when they go for go born, they not for left and born. Now he make the recruit over 5,000 healthcare workers in this country. Over 5,000 healthcare workers in this country. He increased the budget now from 6% to 11%. Education 22%. So that is the president of the people. So now we can listen to the president of the people, the talk and do president, His Excellency Julius Maada Bio.
Thank you very much, Honorable Vice President, Madam First Lady, Chief Minister, the Paramount Chief, and Chiefdom Elders within here, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, better late than never. I'm sorry for Kanaya, Najabema, Nanette. But, like I say, better late than never. I know say I passed here this morning, I see a lot of picking them, they don't go home. I know say school picking out in here again also. School picking them there? Thank you. You know, but then Kimeka Gladi. The party when I Kimeka Gladi, but then one day other then they make a habok. I know say within good hands. School picking every day. Well, see, from this morning, early morning when they wait, they see day. Now they get for be the doctor day, now they get for be the minister day, now they get for be the judges, now they get for be everything. Thank you, our children. Dear Pekin Edede, hands up, hands up. Our girls, no so. The young man in there. Well, don't take my hands up. Well, don't take my hands up. Bike riders, my friends, when are they? When I say I'm going to handle it also. Okay. Well, we can begin again now. You know, where we can kind of corner everything is easy because I can boast as president of this country say Kono get the most educated group of paramount chiefs in this country. After the chief don't talk, waiting again for talk about what we don't do because it they follow. It they follow exactly what they happen. He know the constraints them. He know the demand them for make and we. Maybe pledge say education will be a priority project of this government. Why? Plenty people then I will understand why. But for the sake of today, now just allow me to talk a little about that again. You know, after election, everybody can expect say the president will solve individual problems. We own prescription is that we will solve national problems. Because for make we able to help everybody, the thing will be made salon in name may they go before now the world, now be education. We're not a small nation, but we name when they sound high in and out of Africa. That name we don't go down because we not pay attention again to education. We decide say if we get for better as a nation, not to the various mineral resources we will get, the gem they will get, now the human beings there. Then small people they are so within there. We don't bring they don't the old. Then make another put money for the big one there. No so. You can hear it, eh? I see that they give you home. What do they do? Now for me we develop this one a bank account there. None of we not get bank account there. No so and chairman. Then one day now they get for can make this stone grow and the children grow and cannot be big. The actual gems they will get, now the human beings in this country. But the human being, the smartest of them, if you not develop and you not invest in them, it not serve any purpose the world will do today in the 21st century. And the big revolution where they are ahead of we, the big thing we get for happen, we get for change the world again. We get for make the education where most of we get today look old and useless. If you not learn particular type way, you will not be useful. What we don't decide as a government is that next revolution, what they call the fourth industrial revolution, where you get for day about things then, when not there now, we want to make sure they will begin them. We put them ahead of that call so that then will gain and lead that revolution. You know, when the industrial revolution starts, Africa will not ever be part of them. We only been there at the receiving end. When it thing happen, the bad side of it, now we dey feel am. Now we dey use for go, then take we as slave, then carry we go. When it done, now the other impact of it, now climate change. You don't get better machine, they don't pollute it. Now the world, the climate don't change. Now we they suffer more. Now we they suffer. We have always been at the receiving end of every important thing wey don happen at the world. As small as we dey as a nation, me want to make sure say we act smart and make sure say we dey in a pole position. And the only one day we get for putting at that pole position, then we for day ahead, now them picking there. Now that make us say, now we take 22% of the budget, now we invest in them. And at the Askuna all, as a nation, may we support education, may we support the Pekin, may we not discriminate among the girl Pekin and the boy Pekin. The girl Pekin, then they do extremely well and they lead in most of the examinations today. Which means say we for, especially for the girls they need special protection, especially in the vulnerable ages when they big. Some pardon cannot take him Pekin, he say, may go marry them. They give dowry, down they don't last 2-3 weeks, the money don't done. But if you encourage that smart girl Pekin, they learn. Now they go for be the judges, like how we get women judges and officials, lawyers, teachers, ministers, so then presidents, but many wait for make a dummy, then they will come. Because they play to the president of the one day. Not so. How many presidents are there want to be president? Well, you must see the hand there. And a little small number of do. So that they better wait for me for so I don't know. They are going to invite them America. So the gear picking them and the big now support them. Give them special attention. Now that makes when they try to get hostel or boardrooms particularly designed for care picking them. Because today when to make a late, I decided for going at the last chiefdom, turning back this way. The road of course is not good. But we are human capital development government. Any say human being the day. If we not crow with the crow for good, we will go there. So go to the very last figure. Not so I'm not going to just get reports. I will go see for myself. They don't need to tell me about this road because I don't work at myself. I know the school situation there. I know the road situation. They not even get any form of communication to the world. We don't promise them and then don't begin do the studies so that they will get pulled and they will be able to join the world, the civilized world, they will be able to communicate. Studying will get for better and combine themselves with one day, we know the young problem there. We get for deal with them. If you know one of them community, if you not talk to the people where they live there, you not will ever know the problems and you not will ever get proper prescription how you deal with them. So when they take the time for go there, now because we really want to know first-hand information from the horse's mouth, waiting in the field, waiting in one, and who said they want for go. The same sort of enthusiasm, the same sort of zest where they get from the very young picking them, now yeah, this net. Now the same way they get from the girl picking them, where will they see, they go, now the end. We get to provide for them. We get to make sure say the girl picking we don't the junior secondary school now go able to attend and go able to a safe place so that then early pregnancy and other things the way to unbogging girl picking them, you know unbogging them say they don't. Women of substance get to be protected when they are young. Before they become useful to this nation, they need special protection. That is why the campaign, Hands Off Our Girls, is very, very important. And a campaign where the left and the young man they hand, at the left hand with the parents and the chief and everybody more protect the girl picking them. they need special protection for make they able to survive the many temptations wey dey today. So, Kono na a great district wey don contribute immensely to the development of this country. But what have you got to show? Me talk say when I get elected, I will make sure say Kono, the historical injustice wey bin don happen to Kono, I begin correct them one by one. The wise men come from the east, but the leaders come from the south. So, now the whole of the east, whether no one knows better, the whole of the east, one university not be building. Since independence, before independence, this month, I don't open the one university in Akenima. I don't open the other one today in Akono. I see the members of parliament, they don't get themselves caught for no University of Science and Technology. Beautiful. And I don't say the Konoman Lewemi Sabi, when I give them 10 to 15 years, this university will be one of the best universities, not only in Nigeria, but West Africa and Africa as a whole. So now, you don't need for go Freetown, except if you want to go Freetown. You don't need for go Njala or Bo or Kenima or Makeni or Magroka to get university education. Inside Kono, we don't bring a country and we make sure say you not only survive but we thrive. We could produce very good people there. We could engage the development of this country. Now make the science and technology. Because now the future that one day. So at the beg you all, then see there with the do even though for now they're greedy me, they're not giving one MP. One they're not giving, but that in another case. Me, I get clean out, and they give them double. I don't give the university today, we don't start university today. And we get people press now. They come in. We get for can make the road from here, take go to the border. People press, you are welcome. And I use this opportunity, Chief, for hand over this company to Una, to Mona give them full support. They are a great people. We get a very beautiful understanding with them, and we ourselves get for support them all throughout. Congratulations and welcome to this community. So, when we say a city, we forget all the amenities for maybe a full city. The one thing we don't left, now water. We did in advantage in terms of the arrangement then. But once we don't reach firm decisions on that, then we go come, we announce it, for now the water project will start. But suffice it to say that we don't get some understanding, but we want to get proper understanding and reach an agreement so that we will start that project there. For the electricity, down the Magdalena Road, then they get light now, but they say they don't get enough light. Well, me promise to Una, and I keep me promise them, and for make sure say the city go Una say Una get, I make a proper city for Una, so they go get all the social amenities there. If you never go Freetown, I go do business. But if you're left there, you do all your business. You able to contract any side in the world, you forget water, you forget electricity, and everything we need. That was my pledge, that was my promise, and that is going to be a promise kept. We talk about education. Why will they pay for over 2.5 million to kill them? now for make this country better. For make this country go before. We not dey only pay for them, we also dey pay for the transition exams then. We dey pay for MPSC, we dey pay for Becker, and we dey pay for WAS. We not tap the no more. Parents them dey spend last year alone. If we allow parents them for spend, for buy, for begin scratch, for get results. Now over 17 billion all around the spend. But we not human capital development government, we not Umbra government. We save parents them over 17 billion loans. Where we make sure say we devise a means. We get a very young Minister of Education, we provide something, we make the able to get the result without scratch the thing at we get. Reggae don't not scratch again, not so. We make sure say we not get balls there, not so. We not get balls then I go do. Maybe Jabbe myself, the time we put our pass now, we'll give now one small ball to the pass of the class. They say the money plenty, but me say na investment. Where you put money with the hope say that money if not 50 years you put, it will go to 75, it will go to 85, you go to 90, go to 100. But on education you can never miss it. All countries of the world where we the grab now, we the go there for everything, for holiday, for land. All of them in a chapter history. They all pay particular attention to education in a sustained way over a long period of time. Now so they grab that run. And when you fly for good. That is a necessary investment. Motorman, we motorman today, you grab no more, you not put something at this age. You know nothing. You know nothing. That investment day, we cannot avoid it. So when some DT say, na political gimmick, I tell them say no. Now an existential thing as a nation, if we don't do cosmetic changes number one, we really want to go before. We for make sure say we kill them, get better education past myself. The type of education, not just better education, but the type of education needed for the fourth industrial revolution. Not to the kind of education we'll get to, we say we can become obsolete very soon. What is it now with it too? So we forgive with the opportunity for take charge of this country and do so in a way we go make Salone not go there again. And I will tell you, the effort in the past 3 years don't make Salone don't register back. Now the world map. Yes, I will tell you now. Today you cannot talk about education any side now the world if they not say the Republic of Sierra Leone. Yes, in 3 years we don't register ourselves there. Today, when they talk about the chief term one of the biggest enemies to development is corruption. But we don't begin to threaten. Of course, corruption is threat back, but we will continue to perfect. Say, and I will all perfect that so they say we defeat them. Oh, come, there will be a great week 47. Now, so APC left we. We don't go to 83 now. Not to me say, not to America say, America collect data from all other agencies in the world. Because some man begin down, they go how America they grab the figure so. No. Today, we will work on the compact with the United States. Then an agreement on what we need to go do for develop this country. And that's because of the way where we don't handle government, where we don't invest in with people. They can't see what they don't see. They say between 300 million to 600 or 700 million. They will give it free because they believe we and trust we. So, Salone done they come back. that saloon where they be known for just corruption, for Ebola, for some of the worst things in the world. A name not begin shoot back. Even the COVID will come. The methods they will adopt. Who go to Harvard? A Harvard professor say United States for land from Sierra Leone. Because of the kind of friendship they will make. We know they make them with small organizations. Through the effort of the Minister of Basic and Senior Secondary Education, we get a very good relationship with the United, MIT. The one that was studying MIT, they know whose kind of university they be. The one that was studying Harvard knows say when they say the top tier now the world, now the university they. The last time, when they want to talk to ministers around the world, they say the best person for talk to them it will be the president of Salon. They invite me, they pay for me with 10 people then just for me to go here and we have to say, waiting how are the changes there, because for them the kind changes the way they happen now. Well, plenty some man they were blind, they never see them. For people that they own America, they see them. And then blind man they did not, they will go for change their eye then. Because if people then sit down that they see, they either eye they see, in many classes you need a change of the eye of yourself. Because of my relationship with MIT, the first bionic prosthesis group where they can say the very first one in the United States first, because they set up them. Now inside salon they can set her up. Then I don't want them where you get either as a result of diabetes, then they amputate your foot, or because of the war, then they can't give you another foot where not to just a joint, but it operates with your mind when you work or you dance, because you know they know. Then they fix them in such a way that it will work with your brain. Now salon that they can do the first work. They don't already commit about 24 million, if I don't forget, because of the relationship and waiting and see what they do. I asked the woman, when they put the 24 million into this project, that means they start very soon, if you don't start first. He said, I listen to you talk. Now tell. He said, from when you talk, he said, I not ever forget salon. He said, I not go there, but I dey candy for you. Now the Bonya is what he said. 24 million. When someone not to get nothing, he said the power to fly like a bird. You name now money you. Really bad. So, but me I don't fly for nothing, no. I dey fly for go fix with bad label the way they belong put away. That one they will belong, then don't talk and Yampi way they make sure say we country say people that say we honor and Yampi. Because they will never do any better thing at this country. Now that make I dey fly. And anytime we are fly, I dey bring camp. They say, I don't be need for going to the global, I don't be need for going to England. Go there, we come there with 22 million, 22 million. And the ticket for it don't reach 20,000. How I not go fly? I dey fly for Mesa no better. How fast I don't go better? Today we live in a world when I like one big village. If you not go China, you never get them. If you don't have no you never get nothing. But when they see say when they go before, now down the line they don't make lollipop. You name. They say they buy the fly. I will continue to fly. Waiting do because I the brain come back. Anywhere I fly, anywhere I see, I the brain come back there. How Pastor Logo better? So, Salon don't begin make progress. Plenty things don't begin happen. And when we serve the get them, we remember Kono. Now you are the brain cancer small. Where I don't pass go so. Yesterday where I come and enter Sewa Fair and I go take there. Today where I don't go so, I don't see from myself. What did you they talk? It just the reinforce them. I don't see from myself what you will need now. Me only constrain the resources. If not to that, I will say tomorrow at the beginning. But everything they go into planning, and as we get resources, small, we they take care of them problems they need. Yeah, now junior secondary school no more get that, not so. You have to forget senior secondary school. For Komona, they are nearly 3 hours this way. More than 3 hours. But actually going at the last term. No senior secondary school. So anybody who did this way, you don't learn a junior secondary school, you're either going to perish, or you need to get somebody where will go take you. And when I hear people, they go put on a veranda room, or in Pomania and parents then, that is the end. And that makes you see plenty of women then, they survive at the education. Gender parity only stop at the care, and it will become accentuated even after worse, because the girl became not able to survive. Why became you're going to go one would say you're going to college. But that means say if we allow that to happen, now half of with power, half the throttle, now we don't put for make salon go before. If we want to go full throttle, for make sure say nearly 52% of the population when a woman there, we for empower them and enable them to make a big partners between side by side, they will move the development process. So I no one talk plenty. Today, I'm glad for the chief. I feel welcome. For not deserve everything more than what you will provide for now. But if we are smart and vote smartly, we will get more. Because this is not just beginning. If we are smart and vote smartly, we will get more. Today, Chief said, no, Ambassador Sajoli, he said the way the president, the shape will make the Montreal full. No, so the Montreal full, they don't know what to talk. Yesterday, the chief talked to say, he said, then I've been blind man. He said, I don't make them don't see. I begin to feel like say, me are not blaspheme. Now Jesus told me, let me get up our way to make blind man they see. Political Jesus. I said, I will make you see fine one. If you not agree with me not agree with you now. Let us why they solve the equation. And they put more on the other side. Then the scale will balance. They will not go see fine. They will not go hear fine. So we as in a modern full of soul, let me box that full of. Many the members of parliament where they give now, where I say I don't bless this, let them box full of. The councillor then, let them box full of. Then I go also can or not ready for going to the next stage because the university, the road, the water, and everything they do. And I just want to say, me. Not greedy. The woman they will not greedy me say. But the vice president will get, they don't get nothing for talk about the whole day that cannot business in this town. So where are they in our office? If I cancel